Hey everyone, this is Juna with Detour Shirts. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about a t-shirt resource website that I found recently that I think you would really love. This website is called PlaceIt. And the way I found this website was I was looking for a mock-up for a YouTube video, for the YouTube intro part of it. Um, so let me show you how I found it. They do YouTube intro mockups here. And if you ever need one for your YouTube channel, look at that. You just put your logo in here and it'll do a little intro for your YouTube. And I thought, wow, that is so cool. There's so many things to choose from here. It just goes on and on. And then when I was here, I noticed that they had mockups for t-shirts. And I'm like, whoa, let's check that out. So look at that. You can put your image on all of these mockups. And I know you don't need mockups for merch by Amazon, but if you're selling on Etsy or on Shopify or some other place that needs mockups, this can really help your product stand out. And it's super simple. So let me show you how to put it on here. All you have to do is upload your design here. Make sure you make it to the right size. Here it is right here. I use a transparent PNG at this size, 750 by 1200 pixels. And I've already made one, so I'm gonna click it here. Here's my image on my desktop. I'll just open here. And while that's loading, I made it for a black t-shirt, so you can change the color of the t-shirt. Let me crop this first and then change the color of the t-shirt. So I'm gonna make it black. And you'll notice all the t-shirts on here are gonna now change to black. Isn't that crazy? Just from that. And then you'll notice my image is now being placed on these mockups too. Now, if you're a graphic designer, this would still take a lot of time to put this on here, and this just does it in seconds. And if you're not a graphic designer, look how easy this is to put your logo or your image on a t-shirt. Pretty crazy, right? I just thought I had to share that. Let me show you. You can go into each individual one and do some other things on here. So while this is loading, I was going to tell you about how much this is. To just look at it, it's free, so you can see it. But if you want to get this image, it's $7, which really isn't that much. Or you could get a unlimited subscription for $29 a month and use any of them. So I think that's probably the better way to go. If you have a whole page and you want to do a different mockups for each individual design, this is the way to go. But look at this. Also, we talked about changing the color of the shirt, so I can go dark gray here, red, or some of those other reds. And then you can change the background as well, which is crazy. You can just do this. And you can try it out. Make sure you like the right color before you purchase it. And boom, right there. Match what's on your website. Kind of get that same feel that's on your website, but all these different colors. That's amazing. Amazing that you can do that. And again, they're showing you more mock-ups that you can put your shirt on. So just a lot of things that you can do on here. And that's not free, but they do have a lot of free things on here that I think are really good resources for t-shirt designers. So let's go back to PlaceIt. Well, let's go back to the t-shirt mockups. And if you're on here on the t-shirt mockups and you scroll down, you notice, wait, let me go. I think you have to go one more. T-shirt mockups. Okay, there we are on the t-shirt mockups page. Sorry about that. And if we scroll down, here, tips and resources for t-shirt sellers. these are all free. These are all free stuff that you can look at. So how to design your own t-shirt. Boom. Just an article on how to do it. Let's go back. I missed one. I should have done this one first. Print directory of print on demand sites. Now, if you're doing print on demand like Merch by Amazon, here are some other ones that you can use here. They have a whole list, or they have an article on explaining what print on demand is and finding it. You can watch that video. That's free. Let me go back here. This resource is one that I really like, and I thought I should make a video about just this, but this is the TShirt Ideas calendar. Now, one of the things that is really powerful is to make find holidays that are trending for t-shirts. And this month we're in April, so if we click on April, you'll see some of these shirts. You'll notice World Book Day, Earth Day. If you haven't made an Earth Day one, it's probably too late because we're already in April, but guess what? You can skip ahead to May. And there they are, Mother's Day. And each of them have a little, you can click on them. Let's click on them here. And they give you a little article and let you know how to design for that holiday. Isn't that crazy? All right. So let's go back to some of these resources here. A complete guide to Merch by Amazon. You also have that. And if you're selling on Etsy, you can do that too. Here's how to be successful on Etsy. And just all these resources for t-shirt designers. It's amazing that they have this. And then more mockups. So if you want to do a t-shirt Facebook ad, guess what? You go here, and with that same subscription, you can add your t-shirt design and make an ad for Facebook right on here to get you selling. I just think bookmark this, PlaceIt. Just even if you're not going to do mockups and you're doing Merch by Amazon, remember these things, these resources right here, especially this T-shirt Ideas calendar. This, I think, every T-shirt designer should have this bookmarked, because this comes up every year, and for ideas and things, this is great. So that's my video for today. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.